Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is January the 12th, 2022. We are going to talk about Shiba Inu today. We want to figure out where in the world is this price going to go next. I mean, look at my price chart. You guys can see that I got a price prediction ongoing into the market in Shiba Inu, and the market really hasn't gone up. Yeah, instead of the price going up, we've been seeing the price go down instead. So I wanted to come in today, speak to everyone who's interested in Shiba Inu without the confusion, and give you all my perspective as to where I think we're headed next. So if you guys appreciate my videos, my price prediction, hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel. This is what I do on this particular platform. So now real quick, let's see what happened into the market following my last video, which was on the 25th of December 2021. All right, you guys can see it. I was playing the strength into the market in Shiba Inu, and that really didn't happen. I mean, we had a couple of days following my price prediction to which the market in Shiba Inu did go up. Yeah, we saw that, but it wasn't long lived. It was only maybe about 3 to 4 days we were able to see the market in Shiba Inu go up, which is right here. Okay, that was it. And you guys can tell that the market in Shiba Inu actually got rejected at a point to where the market has gotten rejected previously. Let me show it to you right here. December the 24th, the market got rejected right there around 400 thousandths of a penny. Yeah, that's where it got rejected at. Right here on the 27th. So from the 24th to the 27th, that gave us ample amount of time to show us, hey, something's going on here at this 400 thousandths of a penny level for Shiba Inu. This is where the sellers were. This is where the market impacted Shiba Inu's price progression going up right there. So we didn't have much. We didn't have long for us to really see this market come to fruition. Very short-lived. If you was able to see that around 400,000 of a penny, yeah, you got about 7.25% out the market. Outside of that, if you were to get out the market now, yeah, you're down around 23%. Okay, but it goes that way. This is why you're not able. This is why at certain times in the market you don't come in and stay too long, because once you overstay your welcome, that's when you begin to be in some very terrible positions. Now let's see what's going on into the market in Shiba Inu now. All right, that was done. Let's look towards the future to see what in the world this market is going to do next. All right, so check this out. We need to revamp. We need to revise this price chart because the market in Shiba Inu is not really trading within these two lines, right? We was anticipating the market in Shiba Inu to do just that. We wanted to see the price maintain itself in between these two lines, and that hasn't been the case. So that means we need to adjust this particular price chart because the market is telling us something else. It's telling us something different. And what is that thing? You let me know. I mean, just look at the chart for what it is. We're not here to persuade. We're not here to act like we don't see what's going on into the market because price is already telling us what's going on. We're in a downtrend. This is exactly what the price chart is letting us know. And we haven't changed that analysis yet. We are still seeing the price in Shiba Inu in a downtrend, right? So we cannot act like this is not what's going on into the market in Shiba Inu. We have to pay attention to what the chart is telling us and don't try to deviate off of it. No, we cannot come through and try to change and act like we don't see what's going on into the market. This currency is in a downtrend. So now we've created a downtrend and we understand that the market in Shiba Inu is going to continue to go down so long as price trades below this descending line. Okay, now I want everyone to focus in on this area right here because this is going to be real important for us to see the market come in and grab support. This is where we need to see the buyers. This is where the buyers need to appear to keep price from falling. Okay, and you guys can tell we're not that far away right now, so we might actually see the price in Shiba Inu break outside of this descending line relatively soon. So now let's see. I'm going to change over the time frame, okay, to see what we got going on because I want to see if the market is giving us any strength here in Shiba Inu, and we actually are. I actually like what the chart is showing us on the 3-day perspective. Let me bring this down because this is where I will be looking for the price in Shiba Inu to try to come in and grab support. Now, when this particular cryptocurrency was being traded on Binance, I want you all to see this. It goes all the way back here. Okay, right here. May the 13th, 2021. This is where the high came into the market in Shiba Inu. And then back here on October the 4th, 2021, we broke it and we were trading above that line. So I want to show you all this. This is going to be really important. Yeah, right here around 2300 of a thousandth of a penny, 2300 thousandths of a penny. We cannot see the price break below that, because if we do, we understand we're going to stair step our way all the way back down to 200 thousandths of a penny, maybe even 1500 thousandths of a penny. Yeah. So we really need to see the buyers come into the market relatively soon. So far, we're getting that indication off of this 3-day price bar. I mean, we've been in a downtrend for a very long time in Shiba Inu, and maybe we might actually see a bounce. Yes. Let's see what's going on in the market in Shiba on the 5-day. Okay. So currently on the 5-day time frame, I want you all to see this. These 3 5-day price bars all emphasizes how weak the market is in Shiba Inu. We're starting out on this current 5-day price bar pretty good, but I mean, we can't be relying upon it because we still got 3 days and 12 hours left. And the market is definitely going to be a lot different than what I'm showing to you today. Weekly time frame. So what do you all think? We're going to continue to go down, or are we going to continue to go up? Let's look at Shiba Inu on the 2 weeks. Down or up? What about on the 13-hour? Down and up. What about the 9 hours? Down or up? Right? So what I'm looking at right now into the market in Shiba Inu is I'm looking for the price to go up, but again, I'm not going to be massively bullish. I mean, look at how long we've been in this downtrend. We've been in this downtrend since October of last year. And we will really need to see a lot of volume come through to substantiate a bullish change. And we're not seeing that right now. No, we're not. Now, we got a couple of areas of restriction. I mean, we're already relatively close to that restriction point in Shiba Inu. So let me pinpoint that. Let me show it to you. That this is where the market restriction is. This is the closest area of restriction, probably around 300 thousandths of a penny. You know, right around that particular vicinity is where this market is showing me that we can get rejected and price come back down. That would be the first spot off the rip. So I won't be surprised to see price in Shiba Inu get rejected at 300 thousandths of a penny. I won't. And neither should you, because we've already identified that that area was an area of contention between the buyers and the sellers. Okay. The biggest ultimate area is going to be around 3,500 thousandths of a penny. That's the biggest area. So let me give you my 3 price targets as I am progressively seeing the market in Shiba Inu go up. 300 thousandths of a penny. Next area would be maybe around like 3,200 thousandths of a penny. Then ultimately 3,500 thousandths of a penny. Okay. So let me do this. So literally what we would have to do is take the bag on all 3 of those locations. If we still see strength at around 300 thousandths of a penny, then you might want to let the market continue to ride on higher to 32 thousandths of a penny. And if you still see strength at 3,200 thousandths of a penny, then take it up to 3,500 thousandths of a penny, right? But I want you all to see this. We are still in a downtrend. This is one reason why I'm not massively bullish in Shiba Inu. Okay. So now I want you all to see it. I'm going to keep this descending line here. I just want us to use this as a reference point for us to see rejection. Okay. Because if we are not allowed to see Shiba Inu break this descending line this way, then I understand that we're still in a massive downtrend. And this prediction that I got on the chart now is not going to be accurate. It's going to be wrong. See, this is how you're able not to be emotional in the markets, because you're already planning on what to expect if we're not able to see this price in Shiba Inu break this descending line. But I'm looking forward to that. All right. Now, I'm not massively bullish. I haven't given you 3 price targets to not be greedy for us to see a change in tone. But now is your turn. real quick, drop me a comment as to where you think the market in Shiba Inu is going to go next. I am playing some strength. I'm not massively bullish though. Let's get that straight. But I am looking for the price to go up slightly. So now I want to know, what is your price prediction in the market for Shiba Inu? Drop me a comment real quick and tell me. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.